Alright, so the lightning motor.
Oh shit! What's good? What's up with you?
Mr. Almond 1LE made an appearance at the Alex SVT house. Let's check out the pop it. Looks cool. Stock. Rotofab.
Sorry for you.
A second. Why'd it go to fourth though?
Because it has like the skip shift.
Oh yeah, I forgot about
But I'm
that.
used to like I know when it's over.
What motor is this?
LS.
No, I don't even know what motor. I don't know what motor it is.
Nah, it's a LT one.
Oh yeah, LT. Is the rev match on? Or I hit the thing?
Now you gotta hit the pedal, bro. Yep. Now it's on. How you like it?
Too smooth. I'm not gonna lie. The car drives really good. I mean, it's definitely. I gotta stick with the Stang gang, but if like Mustangs became extinct, I'd maybe go to this one. Maybe.
I think you would do it before that, bro.
You wanna see a ZL1 over here?
TL1.
It's a 5th gen.
Like you could be in tour and it would be the same
I got
shit.
you.
Neighborhood car spotting.
Neighborhood car spotting. There used to be a SVT Lightning right here. That's pretty clean.
Yes,
Oh, yeah,
it
there
is.
This gen. What do you think? Would you get this one or that one?
I would get this one.
That thing's pretty quick, no?
Yeah, but I don't know, to be honest, but I think, I don't know.
Might be even. It's like stock. I mean, these 6 gens are quick.
They are, so to be honest, bro, I haven't done the research on the old one. I know like about the new ones.
Right.
I don't want to just say it's faster or not, but.
The E85, dude, it's hard to start because it's cold, bro. Like, watch when you hear it. It stayed on. God damn. All that smoke.
Race car problems.
Smack. Oh. Put a pull. 2020 GT500 or a ZL1. Hey guys, so we're vlogging today. So how's everyone doing today?
Very good.
Yeah?
Big ball of cringe right now. No. That thing probably.
What's good? Where you guys gonna park? What's going on? Hey, he just got it done though. The swap, it looks pretty clean. The GT500 swap. All right, see ya. Hey, damn, that shit's.
I want to feel how it feels to get a 900
Yeah.
down into the wheel.
Damn, this kit's clean. It's stupid low.
It's low, yeah.
Yeah, the front lip I think the front looks really aggressive too. I like that plate. Rich Asian. That's funny. I like that plate. Major flex right there. See, not very many Asians have muscle cars, so Ish, we're representing for all the Asians out there. What do you think, Ish?
I dig it, man.
Let's look at the lightning motor. That's sick. God damn. That shit's loud, bro. Shit. I missed it.
It was like playing the drums.
Sheesh, 10 speed. Homeboy's about to run it. Shit was crazy. That shit's crazy. I know. God damn. Whipple truck though, man, it's quick. Holding up. She holding up.
Alex!
Oh shit! What's good?
Alex SVT!
What's up with you? You'll be in the vlog.
Get on him!
Ran into some fans. That's funny. Hit me with the hazard, man. Oh shit. Alright guys, so like I said earlier in the video, we are going to be unboxing this clutch. Now, here's the logic. So a lot of people are going to wonder, like, why, Alex, are you going from a twin disc clutch to a single disc clutch? And my reasoning behind this is because, first of all, I've had nothing but issues with this McLeod RXT clutch. And so I think in this scenario, we have to take a step back to move forward, if that makes sense to you guys. And so with that, we're gonna determine whether or not this transmission is messed up, or that this, or if it's a clutch issue, if it's a transmission issue. So this is why I got the clutch. What the? It didn't even come in a box. All right, anyways, cool. Let's just unbox it. The package is so weird. It's like a special order. Here is the clutch. It's an XD Stage 1. It's just like Abraham's Mach 1. And his clutch grabs really good. This is super weird how they packaged it though, but you know, whatever. This is the pressure plate. We'll take this out. So this is the pressure plate, and we'll put this on the trash can right now. And then here is the disc. Now this is not a twin disc, so obviously it's a single disc, so you only have one clutch disc. Take a look at it. I'll probably leave it kind of wrapped up because I don't want anything to kind of contaminate it, but take a look at it. So this is the clutch disc. It's a Stage 1 setup made by XD. So this should be cool. I mean, I think that it'll get the job done, and most importantly, we're going to find out whether or not this is a clutch issue or a transmission issue, and we'll go from there. But for now, I might just sell the twin disc clutch. I just don't like it for this setup. So we may be selling the clutch and flywheel setup. If anyone wants it, we're going to diagnose it, open it up, and then we'll make sure that it is still a good condition. Otherwise, we'll send it out to McLeod and see what they can do. They've already warranted it once. As you guys know, One time my RST broke and it completely fell apart the day before we were about to go to a show, 2 days before, and broke on me. Ordered a single disc McLeod and that one burnt out quick. So we're gonna go with this XD and hope for the best. So yeah.